First, download an app from the App Store called Magic Eraser Background. I'll put the link in the description. Open the app and import the photo. If you want to, you can crop it. And now, just tap the background that you want to remove from the photo. You can also use the eraser tool for the little details. And that's it. Just save the photo and you have a transparent background. Thanks for watching.